A very good afternoon, class 6th. Today, on 30th December, Wednesday, we will continue with the chapter 14. And today we are on the last exercise of chapter 14, that is exercise 14.4. In yesterday's video, I told you some spatial angles, how to construct these angles, right? So for today's again, we will continue with the same exercise, and today's topic is construction of spatial angles. So my dear students, spatial angles are the angles which are multiple of 15 degree, right? Angles which are multiple of 15, that are known as the spatial angles, right? So in class 5th, you have drawn the angle with the help of protractor, but here you will learn how to draw the angle with the help of scale and compass. Right? Now, in this, key one question is the step of construction an angle measuring 60 degree without using a protractor, means without using a D, are given below. So we have to arrange them. Now, side by side, we will draw the angle of 60 degree. Angle of 60 degree. We will draw also, and then you will learn which step come at the first and which will come at the second. So here, firstly, what is required? A line. So here the first point is draw a line M. We will draw any line M. That is M line. Right? Now, after this, what we will do? We will mark a point E on the line, right? Like here I will write the mark point A on the line. It means B part is second point. Third one, with E as the center and a radius of any length, means any much width of any length, you can make the compass wider. Draw an arc that intersect the line M at B. So like this. Like this. Right? This is an arc which intersect the line M at B. It means name we will give this point B. Right? After that, with the same radius and B as the center. Center means the needle of the compass. This will come on this B. And draw an arc that intersect the previous one. One arc here and another arc here. Right? Now, after this, name the point of intersection of the two arcs. This is C. And one more thing, with the same you will cut it this also. Just a second. Here construction is given like this. Firstly, no need to make it. I am telling you with another way. First way is open the compass of any arc, mark or intersect the line M. This one, and this is point B. Now from point A also mark one arc, and from point B also mark one arc. And this point of intersection is the angle of 60 degree. Right? Name the point of intersection of both the two arcs, that is C. Right? Now, then measuring with the same radii that we have done. Now draw. Join the point A and C. It means G. After next G will come. Join this. And now with measuring angle CAB with a protractor to verify that it is of 60 degree. So you will measure it with the help of protractor. See here how to measure it. Now see, I will show you this one with the protractor. See this one, put it here, center with center, and see this. This is the angle of 60 degree. Clear, students? So you will now one by one give the name to these and write down in a correct order. After this, the S1, that is, construct an angle measuring 30 degree and write down the step of constructions for it. 30 degree and constructions. I will go one by one with this. Same, firstly we will draw a line of any length. Give it name N. So your first step will be draw a line N, right? Then open the compass of any radius. Firstly, mark a point A. So our second line is mark a point. Name you can give any name. Mark a point A on the line. Right? Now, third point. With A as the center. With A as the center and radius of any length. Here I am taking the radius of 4. So like this you will measure. Right? Then draw an arc. See, this much is not getting, so I will make it more closer and draw a circle like this. Right? And give this to point B. Give it a name B. Now, from B as a center, mark an arc with the same radius. With the same radius. This is of angle 60 degree. In the third point you will write with A as a center, draw a half circle, or you can say it arc, which touches line N at point B. Right? Now the fourth step will be from the point B, or from B as a center, from point B with same radius, mark an arc, and that is of 60 degree. That is of 60 degree. Now, and give the name to that point C. This will point C. Fifth one is from point B, mark one arc, and from point C, mark another arc, right, from point B and C. Point C, mark an arc. Now the sixth one is now name the point of intersection. Here they cut point of intersection of two arc D. Name I am giving here D. Seventh one is join point A and D with ruler. Now join these two with the help of ruler. Like this one. Now we have to join it, this point to this, A to D. Like now eighth point, which is very main in this, measure angle DAB with or you will write measuring angle DAB with protractor, and it is of 30 degree. This line you want to write, or you can write, and at the place of this you can write one line, angle DAB equals to 30 degree. If you want to write this line, you can write down, no problem with this also. Now we will measure it. See here, put the center of the D here on the center, and see this one is equals to 30 degree, exact 30 degree. Clear बच्चे? How to construct an angle measuring 30 degree and write down the step of constructions for it. So this is the way to write down the constructions. Construction I will told you only in this question. After that construction you will do yourself. Just which step you have taken you have to write down in that. Nothing more than this. See, firstly मैंने draw line की, I write there. Name you can write down any name. Then mark a point A, then a half circle, then with the same radius arc, and then point B and C, two arc I mark. Then give the name of this. Give the name to the mark of intersection. Right? If you want, you can draw 60 degree like this also, and you want, you can draw like this also. After this, S2, that is construct an angle measuring 120 degree. Construct an angle measuring 120 degree and write down the step of constructions. So here 120 degree angle, 120, half of 240 is 120, right? And 240 means 180 plus 60 degree. 180 plus 60 degree, 240, and half of this is 120, right? So firstly we will draw a line of length, any length, and give a name to this. M line. Then here I give a name to the point A. Then I open the compass up to 4. With the center A, I will draw a circle, semicircle, that touches the line at point B. This one. Now with the same center, I will mark an arc on this semicircle. This one is of 60. This one is of 120, and from 120 this will be of 180. Now we have to draw 120. Choice is yours. If you want डायरेक्ट आप इसको यहाँ से ज्वाइन करवा सकते हो. That will be the angle of 120 degree. Now how to draw with 60 and 180, I will tell you that also. Same radius here and with the same radius, see, another arc will also come, and the point of intersection is this one, which is equals to 180 degree, right? 120 degree. With the help of protractor also we can measure. See, protractor in this is just your helping hand. See here, right? 120, exact 120 degree. Clear बच्चे? Constructions you will write down yourself. After this, S3, construct an angle measuring 60 degrees. So this I told you, and step of constructions as written up in the K1 part. Now S4, write down the step of constructions for an angle 75 degree without using the protractor. Now we have to make an angle of 75 degree. So you know 75 is half of 150 degree. 150 degree का half होता है, और 150 degree equals to 90 plus 60. So it means 75 degree will make with 90 and 60 degree. Right बच्चे? So firstly हम 90 degree का angle draw करेंगे, and 90 you know how to draw 90 degree angle, that is with the help of 60 and 120. 60 and 120. So see how we will draw this. Same procedure. Draw a line of any length. Mark a point A with any radius. Open your compass. Make a semicircle which touches this line up at any point. You will give this name. I am giving it B. Then with B, same radius से आप arc लगाएंगे like this. First arc represent करती है angle of 60 degree. Second arc, tip on first arc. This second arc will represent 180 degree. Always remember this, 60 degree, and this one 120 degree. Now 90 we have to make. So one from this side and one arc from this one. This is of 90 degree exact. This one is of exact 90 degree. Angle में like a graph, never draw a second line. Now we know 75, half of 90 and half of 60. Mark one arc with 60. Then put on this. Mark another arc. It will be like this. Now join this point of intersection with the center, and it will be equals to 75 degree. You can measure with the help of protractor. Put the center here. See beta, this one is exact 90 and this one is of 70. After 71 shorter length, it is equals to 75. Right? This is of angle of 75 degree. Now next one is 22.5 degree, and this I told you yesterday also. After this, 1S6 question is, draw a semicircle of radius 7 centimeter. So we know what is semicircle, right? So we will draw a semicircle. Radius given here 7 centimeter. So we will open this compass up to 7 centimeter. See here up to this, right? Now a semicircle. Right? After this, what is the question? Question is, see here is center. So this one is the semicircle, right? Now, can you think of a method to divide it into 3 equal parts? So 3 equal parts. First arc, second arc, and this one will be the third arc. Yes. So beta, this is the way to divide the angle into 3 equal parts. With the help of arc, we can divide any semicircle in 3 parts. Now after this, S7 is, construct an angle measuring 80 degree and divide the angle into 4 equal parts using compass and ruler. So see, 80 degree is half of 160 degree, right? Now you will try to do this as yourself, that how you will draw the angle of 80 degree and how you divide that. So I will tell you, when you need to divide an angle into 2 parts, 3 parts, then you can only divide with the bisector. With the bisector, and how to bisect a line angle I told you. Okay, bache? So S7 you will do. Now come to S8. Draw a line segment of length 10 centimeter. Right? Firstly एक length draw करेंगे 10 centimeter. Then draw its perpendicular bisector. And I told you also in the previous video how to draw the bisector. Further, draw the bisector of the right angle formed on either side. Means firstly आप ऐसे perpendicular bisect कर रहे हो, so आप after this यहाँ पे भी एक perpendicular bisect करेंगे. And after that you will measure what will be the angle between these bisector. Okay. After this, come to the S9. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Draw any 2 chord in the circle. Right? Firstly, circle draw करेंगे आप 3.5 centimeter का. Then draw any 2 chords in the circle, and hence draw the perpendicular bisector of the chord. So this also very easy. I hope you can do. And after that you will find the point of intersection of the bisector, means where they two bisect each other. Clear bache? So today we have completed our exercise 14.4. If anyone have any problem in this chapter, you can comment and you can ask any question.